Hello and welcome back. Hello and welcome back. In this session, we will see how to create Android virtual device using ABD Manager, which is available in Android Studio. As we have seen earlier, we can use virtual device or real device. So ABD Manager will help us to create a virtual device which we can make use to test a particular application. To create a virtual device, open up Android Studio. And under the icon you need to select ABD Manager. Click on ABD Manager and click on Create Virtual Device. Once you click on Virtual Device, select Phone under Category and you can select the device here. What I have done here is I have selected Pixel 2 as device with size of 5.0 and resolution this and density as 420 dpi. Select your device and click on Next. Okay, so here either you can select the recommended image or you can have your own image which is downloaded based on your API level. So here I have API level of 29 which is targeted for Android 10.0. So either you can go with the recommended one or you can select a particular image which you have downloaded. So I have from API level 10 up until 29 and I can select any of these, but I will go with the recommended one which is Pi, which is API level 28. Click on Next and here you can provide ABD name. So here I have given ABD name as Tech-Trainer Raj and the orientation, everything else I have set it as default. Okay, click on Finish. Now you can see that it has created a device, virtual device called Tech-Trainer Raj, and this is the version and the size on the disk is 513 MB. Let me start this particular virtual device and see. Okay, so I will launch. There is a launch under Actions column. There is a launch icon here. Click on Launch. Okay, so it will try to start this virtual device. Since we are starting it for the first time, it will take some time. Okay, now as you can see, the Android device or virtual device is up and running completely. So you need to ensure that you get this screen before continuing further. Okay, so this is how we can create your own virtual device. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.